You picked the product, built a store, maybe even ran some ads, but no sales, or barely any. Does that sound familiar? Well, chances are that you're making one or more of these 12 different mistakes, the kind that quietly destroy dropshipping stores every single day. We're gonna walk through each one and show you how to fix them. Ready? Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first mistake that a lot of dropshippers make all the time, especially beginners, is using AI for everything. Look, AI is incredible. You can build a store, write copy, generate images, all in just a few clicks. But if you use AI for absolutely everything, your store will sound and look like everyone else's. Generic, robotic, boring. Use AI as a tool, not as a crutch. Write headlines that actually hook, edit product descriptions to fit your voice, and make it feel human. Don't copy and paste your way into mediocrity. All right, number 2, not doing product research or not doing enough product research. This is a huge one. This is actually probably the #1 killer. Too many beginners go with their gut. I like this product, so other people are going to like it too. That's not research, that's guessing. Luckily, autoDS does make it a lot easier for you and makes product research pretty much streamlined. Their handpicked product section features expertly curated products that you can import into your store in just a few seconds in just a few clicks. Plus, you've also got resources like this YouTube channel, the autoDS blog, and built-in product research tools that really just take away all of the guesswork from choosing a winning product. And right now, you can try autoDS for just $1 for the first 2 weeks. It's a pretty solid deal. So yeah, don't guess, research smarter. Number 3, chasing trends too often. Trends are flashy and they can make you a lot of money, but they spike very fast and they fade even faster. By the time that you've sourced a product, built a store, and launched your ads, that trend could already be dying. And then what? You're stuck chasing the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And it's exhausting. Instead of only relying on trends, mix in evergreen products, things with stable demand year round. Be early if you can, but if not, be better. All right, number 4 causes a lot of human error and a lot of issues, and that's not implementing automation. So if you're still doing everything manually, product imports, order fulfillment, tracking updates, you're burning time and energy. autoDS takes care of all of that for you, automatically importing products to your store with just a couple of clicks and the link to the product, fulfilling orders with just a few clicks or even completely hands off, tracking prices and stock changes with the real-time stock and price monitoring tool. Now, these different mundane tasks, they used to take hours. Now it just takes minutes or none at all. Work smart. Let automation carry the load. Number 5, telling everyone what you're doing. We get it. You're excited. But broadcasting your niche, your supplier, your store, all of them on your socials too early, that's how you attract copycats, doubters, and haters. And not everyone wants to see you win. Sometimes the best move is really to stay quiet, grind in silence, until you've got the results that are worth talking about. Build in silence, launch first, post later. All right, number 6, getting too hyped too early. This kind of goes hand in hand with number 5, but you watch one YouTube video, you buy a domain, you design a logo, and suddenly in your head, you're already on the road to making 50 grand a month. You can be, but reality check. This business model takes work. It takes testing, it takes patience. So get excited. But get excited about the process, not just the profits. Stay grounded, stay consistent. Number 7 also goes hand in hand with the last 2, and that's not locking in. Let's be honest, you can't casually build a dropshipping store between Netflix episodes and expect real results. This isn't a hobby, it's a legitimate business. If you're treating it like a side hustle, it'll pay you like a side hustle. Or worse, not at all. So block out real time, plan your week, lock in, even if it's just an hour a day. That's where the difference is made. Number 8, huge one, ignoring customer service, whether it's pre or post sale. One bad experience can tank your entire reputation and your return customer rate. Slow replies, no tracking, no refund policy. That's how you lose people. That's how you lose customers. That's how you lose potential customers. Set up proper support, and you can even set it all up using a chatbot or email automation. And to make things easier, make a frequently asked questions page that can answer a ton of people's questions without them having even trying to get in contact with you. Another thing that you can do that's really helpful is to hire a virtual assistant if you need. You can find tons of them at a bunch of different rates on places like Fiverr. And remember, happy customers don't just come back. They also bring friends. Word of mouth goes a long way. Number 9, bad product pages. So you can have the best product in the world, but if your product page is messy, slow, or confusing, nobody's gonna be buying it. Here's the fix. AutoDS can generate AI-powered product pages for you with optimized titles, optimized descriptions, and images. And then you can customize it to match your vision and your brand. Remember how I talked about earlier about customizing it to you? Simple, clean, and fast. Make sure your store looks like it belongs in 2025 and not in 2012. All right, number 10, not making content. In 2025, content is a new ad copy. Content is king. If you're not making videos, unboxings, UGC style clips, or TikToks, you're leaving money on the table, quite literally. You don't need to be a professional creator. Use your phone, record the product, show it in action, or outsource it to some other UGC creators. The point is, get content. Content converts. All right, number 11, not upselling. Got the sale? Great. Now increase the average order value, or AOV. Use bundling at checkout, offer a matching item, a 2-for-1 deal, or a complimentary product before they complete the purchase. It's way easier to sell again to someone who's already buying. And with automation tools, it's super simple to set it up, especially all of the different apps that you have available to you on platforms like Shopify. Small upsells can really equal big gains over time. It all really adds up. All right, and number 12, spending months building the perfect store. This is the perfection trap. You spend weeks on a logo, endless hours tweaking colors, writing and rewriting your About Us page like you're publishing a novel. Meanwhile, you still haven't tested a single product. You don't need a perfect store. You need a good product, a clean layout, and traffic. Done is better than perfect. Improve as you go. And also to help you out with this, AutoDS does offer full-on pre-built Shopify stores that you can use for your dedicated niche or your desired niche that, again, you can tweak to your liking or to your brand. So that way you don't have to spend hours upon hours creating a single store. And it makes it easier to test out multiple niches or multiple stores. So how many of these mistakes are you making or were you making? Don't worry, most people make a few of these when they start. It's natural. I made a bunch of these. The key is to learn fast, adapt, and stop overthinking it. And if you want to build faster, smarter, and with actual automation to, be able to scale efficiently, AutoDS has everything that you need. Product research tools, import tools, order fulfillment, AI product pages, and even curated product picks ready to sell today. Try it now for just $1 for your first 2 weeks. Link is going to be in the description. All right, so if this video helped, make sure you drop a like so the algorithm knows that it was actually helpful and it brought some sort of value to you. Subscribe for more no fluff e-commerce content, and comment below which mistake hit the hardest. Let's build stores that actually work, not just look pretty. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with AutoDS, and I'll catch you all next time.